today we'll be comparing BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker versus Larinest Espresso machine 19 bar. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee, Larinest is better. Pressure, Larinest is better. Capacity, BLACK+DECKER is winner. Brewing options, Larinest is better. Ease of use, BLACK+DECKER is winner. Brewing speed, BLACK+DECKER is winner. Maintains, BLACK+DECKER is winner. Price, BLACK+DECKER is winner. Additional features, Larinest is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Larinest Espresso machine 19 bar. The link to buy it is in the video description.